I'm going to use olive oil with pimiento, 2 tablespoons. After which we're going to put 3 cloves of garlic and half a white onion. Other green peas, we have 70 grams of green peas here. This is to substitute the carrots. After which we're going to add 4 tablespoons of Filipino style tomato sauce by Del Monte. Since I don't have tomato paste, if you're using tomato paste, just 2 tablespoons of Del Monte tomato paste. Now I just want your tomato sauce to darken, and after which we're going to add our ground beef. Now we're ready to add our 500 grams of ground beef. Add our 2 pieces of bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of Knorr seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it. After which, put a lid and wait. And your ground beef has been cooking for around 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna add in our 1 box of raisins. And instead of hot sauce, I'm using lady fingers. 2 lady fingers. Cubana is ready. The last step is to remove the bay leaves. So we're just gonna remove the bay leaves. And we're ready to serve. Good news everyone, my house was able to find saging na saba. So we're gonna be able to complete our arroz a la Cubana with the fried bananas. So at the same time where we cooked our ground beef, we're gonna fry our saging na saba. This is a main element for the dish to be called Arroz a la Cubana. Fry our egg. We're gonna put some oil. So first we're gonna heat our pot, then put 2 eggs inside. Remember, if the egg floats, they're not fresh. So make sure your eggs sink and keep that in low heat until it becomes hard boiled. Eggs are ready and boiling, hard boiled eggs. And I have an ice bath here ready. Gonna transfer our eggs into the ice bath. This will allow us to peel our eggs faster.